That is so cool. We're done. Now these axolotls are extra special. Not only are they cool, and they have magnets in them. I got one other thing that makes them super special. Check these out. These turn out awesome. They got magnets in them, in the feet, so they'll hang on stuff. But they also have one other thing that makes them super special. They glow in the dark. Isn't that awesome? And magnetic, so you can stick them on anything. So cool. But him with the UV light, he glows in daylight too. I mean, it's not daylight, but you know what I mean.